Guys, this is Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions, here with another inspection Q&A. Today's question, will a home inspection find mold? Mole, mold, mold. Let me stop messing around. Will a home inspection find mold? So mold is a sensitive topic with every home buyer as well as an investor or anybody that is purchasing a property. So I want to be very careful how I explain this to you. And I want to start off saying that yes and no, a home inspection can find mold. Now, to really grasp the reason why this answer is yes and no, you have to understand the definition of a home inspection. So let's get into it. So a home inspection is a non-invasive visual inspection of the condition of the home at the time of the inspection. So let's first start off with the no. Since the home inspection is a visual inspection, if there's any mold that is behind ceilings, walls, cabinets, or inside the ductwork that are non-visible, the home inspection will not detect if that is there. However, yes, a home inspection can identify if there's any visible signs of mold-like or apparent fungus growth activity inside the home. In addition, the inspector can identify if there are any high levels of moisture intrusion with the proper use of tools and equipment, which are mainly contributors of mold growth. Now, if there are visible signs of mold-like activity as well as high levels of moisture intrusion, I strongly recommend requesting a mold sample test by a certified inspector. If no signs are present, but you would like to be reassured that your home is absent of mold, I recommend as well getting a mold sample test by a certified inspector. Now, there are two types of mold sample tests that can be performed on a home by the inspector. The first one is an air quality mold test. The air quality mold test requires special equipment to assess the home's air quality for the presence of mold spores. The inspector usually collects an air sample inside the home as well as outside the home to provide to the laboratory for testing. The second test is a mold swab test. The inspector uses swabs or tape to collect samples of the area with the apparent fungus growth. After the inspector has collected the samples and provided to the laboratory for testing, the results may take roughly about 5 to 7 business days. After you receive the results back from your inspector in regards to the mold samples, you simply want to know if there's any high presence of mold count or if there's low to no presence of mold count. If there is a high presence of mold, the next step is to reach out to a mold remediation company to identify the cost to have this resolved. If the results show that there is no to low mold spore count, then you're practically in the green light. You're good to go. Well guys, I enjoyed my time with you going over the inspection Q&A of today. I look forward to your comments and your sharing of the video if this was helpful. Have a great day.